we have a 2013 Ford F-150 FX4 off-road package, 57,000 miles. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty. Give you a look. It does have a nice blacked out grille on the front with your big blue oval. It has dual tow hooks on the front. Got your fog lights down here in your bumper. Come around the side. See, it does have nice big Nitto all-terrain tires with the alloy rims. And I would say they are 18-inch tire and wheel combination. And rubber on there is almost new. And I would say there's probably a leveling kit on here. I don't have the documentation here to say that for sure, but I'm pretty sure there's a leveling kit because it does have a little bit of a higher stance. See from your badging, like I mentioned, it is the FX4 package. There's a nice painted mirror caps to match. There's the full-length running boards. See, the interior is black on black. Split front buckets, nice deep center console there. Your black floors. Do have some brushed aluminum accent on the dash and around the doors. Does have a nice big rubber floor mats to protect your carpeting. And back seat, ample space back there. Have a couple power sources and vents over there. Seating folds up like that in case you need to haul anything. And like I said, you do have your rubber mats back there also to protect the carpeting. And rear tires and wheels pretty much new. So your labeling, FX4, off-road. Does have your hitch receiver. Has your backup sensors on your bumper. And tailgate down, and you see it does have a drop-in liner. And has a real nice Ford accessory tonneau cover. That's not a cheap one, that's actually Ford cover. Here on this side, you see the tires, like I say, are new, all four matching. And show you that. Driver's door, you have your keyless entry. Your power locks, windows and mirrors, all located on the driver's door. Just inside you have your dimmer control for your display screen. You have your headlight controls along with your power driver's seat. Climb up to the side. Fire the thing up a little bit in here and get some lights going. Show you the current mileage is 57,597. And your driver's wheel has your cruise control settings on it. Has your audio and voice recognition systems. Just to the right, you have your two-wheel, four-wheel drive lock. Your AM/FM CD display screen. Also has Sirius radio. Traction control. Heating and air conditioning controls. And your automatic gear shift selector. With the manual option, if you choose to shift it that way, there's the knob on the side to push those buttons. Your center cup holders. And your center console has this shallow tray that pulls out. And you have a deep cubby down underneath that. It does have an aux and a USB port in there for power sources. And an additional 12-volt power source here on the dash. And you can see it is nice, spacious in here. Up here you have a sunglass holder. Actually, two sunglass holders. And of course your interior lights. Under the hood, first thing you notice, of course, for your Ford guy, it does have the 5.0 liter engine. Ford's basic staple engine's been around forever. They get you plenty of horsepower, they'll get you where you want to go, and the way they haven't tuned anymore, the fuel economy is pretty darn good with them too. If you like this body style of Ford truck, this is about the nicest one I've seen. It's got the nice bright blue color. It's got some black accent pieces. It's just a real sharp truck overall. We're gonna walk around it one more time to pinpoint any imperfections or blemishes on it. In case you want to come out and look, you'll know about them ahead of time. And with all vehicles that are a little older, there are a few stone chips here and there spattered across the front. Nothing big. There is a wrinkle right here on the front fender. You can kind of see it runs down here and onto the fender flare. Couple small little dings on the lower right hand side of the tailgate, and there's a ding probably about a ½ inch around on the bumper, the passenger side. Across the top lip of the tailgate here, there's a few small dings on there, typical pickup marks. There are a couple little nicks here at the front of the driver's door. But all in all, for the year, like I said, it's a very, very sharp looking truck. If you're interested in something like this, you can give us a call. My guess is it's probably not going to stick around too long. It's a real sharp looking truck. If you want to come take a look, give us a call, 717-485-4224, or look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.